lumbar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it.
Like that one too much.
Now that one's tender. So who do we have here?
This is Frankie. Frankie is the shop dog here at Shag. We're in Williamsburg. We're a sexy shop here in Williamsburg. And Frankie has a lot of friends on the block. So Frankie's story is I adopted her from Animal Care and Control, which is a city pound, when she was about 9.5 weeks old. And Frankie had a deformed paw. So one paw was on the ground regular, the other one was kind of like this, and she was walking on her wrist.
Do you remember which one it was?
It was her front right.
Front right. Okay.
Yeah, and it was called puppy knuckling, which means her tendons and ligaments were growing faster or slower than her muscles. I forget which ones. So after about a month or two, they all caught up and it straightened out on its own. But she also does not jump. She doesn't. She'll go like in the car. I have to lift her butt up. On the bed, I have to lift her butt up. She does not want to jump very high with her back legs.
Did she jump up on this box?
Yep.
But not much higher.
Yeah.
She wouldn't want to jump much higher.
The car is lower than that, and she won't jump in.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's conditioning, because when she
Right.
was a puppy, I had to lift her up, or if that's just if something's going on with her hind legs.
Okay.
But she's just about to turn 2, so she's very young. And other than that, pretty healthy, happy puppy.
All right, so I'm going to start checking her.
Okay.
So first thing I do is I want to check range of motion in her neck. So I'm going to pull her head all the way to her shoulder and pull it all the way to the shoulder. And then I'm going to just palpate and look for, starting up here, the atlas. Atlas is very sensitive. There's a little some at C2, so let's see. There's C2 coming down the neck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one under the shoulder blade here at T1. So I have to kind of go under the shoulder blade, so I bring the head all the way over, all the way over. Got it. So that's a T1. Let's check that right leg now. So here's the, what a muscular dog, right?
Yeah, she's very strong.
Let's check each little toe. Okay. And I'm checking each little joint. I'm going to adjust a little bit into the shoulder. So the cervicals look good. There is a left atlas, so I'm going to get on the side. It's a left superior atlas. I'm going to come right in. Got it. Coming down the back. T4. Got it already. Right here. That's L4. Got it. Sit him back up again. Sit her back up again. Lumbar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it.
Like that one too much.
Now that one's tender. So now I'm going to bring the leg back.
Oh.
It's not like that side.
Oh.
So you're going to have to hold her head a little bit.
Oh. Yeah, she's not liking that at all.
Okay, so I'm going to just adjust one spot in the middle, which is the sacral base.
Okay, hon, relax. Okay. It's okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, that's all we're going to do right now. So we're going to let her jump down, see if she shakes out.
Okay. Poppy.